So our first audience question, and I think this is going to go more towards Anthony, are different twists available to create a unique pattern on the facade?
No, so the fins are only available to be twisted in one rate. So the rate can change. For the rectangular, it's up to 4.3 degrees. The airfoil is 5.6, but that twist is fixed. However, you can mount the blades any way you'd like. So you can have a blade facing vertically with another one on an angle. You could space them apart farther.
So you might have a few that are closer together and then a few.
Exactly. And that really allows you to have many, many different possibilities.
Okay, wonderful. Next question also for Anthony. What building type is best for these products?
So as you saw, we have a fairly tall sample here. In order to get that twist and really express it, you're going to want something that can almost act like a canvas. So a building that's maybe 30 feet tall at least and maybe 30 or 40 feet wide, because in order to really utilize the twist and to really make it pop out, you're going to need that large space.
I like canvas. That's nice.
But the venues are diverse vertical markets. I mean, we have right now 25,000 square feet of this.
Okay.
And the first two jobs were a data center, right, and a substation. So people are looking for ways to spruce up what, like I had said before, which was a rather monolithic type of structure.
Right.
You can use a system like this to really make it stand out.
Right. Okay, that's exciting. Next question is for Airfoil Luxe. So this is going to be for you, Alicia. What systems do your sunshades mount to?
For Airfoil Luxe and for any of our sunshade systems, really, we can mount to anything. So as you can see here with this system, we have individual brackets. And again, these brackets are mounted to structure with mechanical fasteners. So we can attach to metal panels, we can attach to steel, we can attach to concrete, like on parking garages. We can even integrate into a curtain wall mullion and talk to the curtain wall manufacturer and coordinate with them to integrate into their system. So you can pretty much mount to anything.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. This question is for you, Anthony. How do twisted sunshades install and attach to the building?
So I'd mentioned that they come in assembled sections. So we're going to have a continuous angle with our custom cut outriggers attached to that. But in most instances, it's going to attach just like a regular sunshade would to T-brackets. So
T-brackets, okay.
Yeah, the installation is going to be familiar to a lot of architects, contractors, and people who are familiar with this type of product.
Okay, that makes sense. Let's see. This is for you, Alicia. How do I know if my sunshade systems will block the required amount of sunlight?
Okay, so what we typically recommend is using 3D programming, which most designers, most architects have that resource. So like your AutoCADs, your Revits, your SketchUps. What you can do is you can take our system and we provide CAD drawings that can be turned into 3D models. You can take the system, put it on your building in your 3D modeling and test it against the sun to see if it actually works on your building with the parameters that you have. So that's all most designers, they have that at their fingertips.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Okay. Technology.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next question is also for you, Alicia. How do I know if your sunshade blade will span the required distance?
So it depends. It depends job per job because you have all different types of loads that are being applied to your system. So you have usually, your wind load and your snow load that's being applied to your system, and it's different job per job. So what we would recommend is, bringing it to us, bringing it to your local rep so they can bring it to like me and Anthony. What we can do is we can test the system to that wind load to tell you if it can make your span or not, and what we can do to help you get the system that you want at the spans that you need.
So the next question is for you, Anthony. Okay. How will regional climate differences affect customization options?
So the Corian, to everyone's delight, can be used all over the United States and worldwide for that matter. But depending on where you are and the type of wind load, if you're in a coastal region like South Florida, the 18-inch projection might be affected. So it might have to shrink down to 15 inches or 14, but this can be used anywhere in the United States or worldwide for that matter.
Okay, that's great. Let's see. Will Corian withstand below freezing temperatures?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so
it can be used anywhere. Yep.
Anywhere. Okay, so last question. That was the last question. So thank you so much, Anthony and Alicia, for your expertise.